Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that MineD token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, MineD launched in 2025. MineD is a blockchain based interactive mining simulator and tap to earn ecosystem developed a developed as a Telegram mini app. The project aims to make Web3 participation simple and energizing by combining tokenized gameplay with AI powered personalization. At its core, MineD offers a 5 into 5 grid based mining interface where users tap tiles to uncover hidden gem and earn digi tokens. Each tile requires a specific numbers of taps to reveal, and once all tiles are cleared, a new board appears, creating a continuous gameplay loop. This design support both and casual sessions and long-term engagement, making it accessible even the users unfamiliar with blockchain or crypto wallet. The DIGI token function as the primary currency within the MineD ecosystem. It enables tool upgrades across the premium features and participation in seasonal events rather than focusing on speculation. The project emphasizes sustainable token utility through continuous gameplay, engagement-based rewards, and continuity-driven growth. MineD token total supply is 100 billion and circulating supply is around 22.5 billion Digi token. Digi token is listed on Binance Alpha and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit token project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.